The weapon was not a jet. It was not a missile. It was a small, unmanned aircraft. This was the Tadiran Mastiff, a small Israeli unmanned aircraft carrying a miniature television camera, radar zones with a different purpose. Small, unmanned, expendable. It mimicked a manned aircraft. It triggered radar emissions. The battlefield woke up. Syrian operators saw aircraft-like signatures and powered up their fire control radars. The bait worked. The moment the radars came alive, they exposed themselves. Some fired missiles at the drones, with little effect. The Mastiff recorded radar emissions and locations in real time. Israeli commanders watched live. Routes were mapped. Strike paths were fixed. Then the attack aircraft moved in. F-15s guarded the strike package with powerful radar and Sparrow missiles. Electronic warfare jammed and confused the Syrian network. Screens filled with noise. False signals appeared. The battlefield stopped making sense. Syrian officers could no longer tell what was real. Then the attack aircraft moved in. Anti-radiation missiles homed on active radars. Precision strikes followed the signals. One SAM site fell, then another, then many. In a single coordinated operation, most of the Syrian missile network in the Bekaa Valley was destroyed. The drone did not destroy the enemy. It made the enemy reveal himself. For the first time, machines were not only watching the battlefield, they were provoking it. The war had entered a new phase, machine against machine, with humans watching the screen.